Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make tic-tac-toes with different objects. Okay, for the first one that we're going to be doing for the tic-tac-toe, you'll be needing a bag. It has a design right here, and then that's where we're going to put the tic-tac-toe. Then we got some erasers. So this will represent the symbols it has, like the X and the O's. So it's a car and then animals. Then you need some fabric marker. This is what we use. Yeah. So we have traced it with a ruler and then with a pencil. So all we gotta do is trace it with the marker. So that's what I'm gonna do. For the second way, we're going to be needing a metal tray, 10 magnets. Make sure there's 2 different colors, 5 and 5. We need some stickers. We got these circus stickers. And then we need decorated tape. Now we're going to be decorating our magnets. So the third way is you need some flowers. We got this type. Make sure they're small, not that big. You need a tray, hot glue gun, hot glue stick, and 10 water bottle caps. Okay, so now we're gonna get these flowers and then we're gonna pull them out like this. And then we're gonna cut the tip right here and then we're gonna glue it onto here just like this and that. So now we're going to be doing the lines for the tic-tac-toe. You could use Sharpie or you could use tape, but we're not using Sharpie because once you put it on, it will not come off. So that's why we're using tape. So you just want to put it down. So the reason why I left a big extra space right here was to put in the pieces. Okay, for the first one, we'll be needing plastic plate, Sharpie, tape, seashells, 10 of them, and then fabric marker. Now we're gonna be doing this. We're gonna place it down here. I'm going to do this side. And then I'm going to do the center. We'll fix that later because I messed up. Now we're going to be decorating the seashells. So we chose to do a sun and then a moon. For our fifth tic-tac-toe, you'll be needing some canvases, sponge brushes, got this. We need some paint. Make sure it's acrylic, because if it's not acrylic, it's gonna crack. And then you need some duct tape. You need some gems. Make sure they're different color. And then you'll need something to put in the paint in. We're gonna be starting off by putting some tape. So I'm gonna put mine right here. And I'll fix everything later, because I was messed up. Now it looks much better. Okay, now we gotta put the paint in here. We're gonna squeeze some out. Oops, but too much. So a bit of white, a bit of black, and a bit of yellow. This one's closed. Done. Make sure you cover up the table and yourself. For the sixth tic-tac-toe, you'll be needing a cutting board, a Sharpie, a ruler, 10 rocks, and then stickers. Okay. Then we need the ruler. I'm going to do this. I'm going to find the center. As you can see, this is 12 inches. So we're going to mark it here. And then you find the middle. So we're going to do 7.5 and then 5.5 right here. You mark it, and then you do this side, and then you mark 4 and then 7. And we already have it done here. This is the size we're doing. You can barely see it. And then now I'm just going to be tracing it over. Now we're gonna stick the stickers onto the rock. So we're finished with all of these. Hopefully you guys find one that is really easy that you guys could do at home. My favorite one was this one, the flower one. I thought it was pretty creative to do. Thank you for watching.